Hey everyone, in this video we'll implement one practical project like object detection using GPT-4o mini. Okay, see, I created one Streamlit application, so I'll show you that. This is the logic. It has around 150 lines you can think. Okay, roughly like 140 lines. Okay, so what it will do is you can upload one image, and if you within this image, like how many objects are there, it will do the analysis and it will give you the results. Like okay, so this entire video has this many objects and the count of each object, and also it will give you the frame wise analysis also. After that, you can download the result as well. So let me rerun again. Like let me upload a video again, and you can browse. Let me upload this one. So okay. So once I upload it, it will you can play this also. It's a 9-second video. It has uh, objects like this. It's a warehouse and it has one rack, and after that it has this boxes and it has this packages and everything. So okay. Once I click on this analyze video, the process will start, and so it will take frame wise. So first frame it identified as like cardboard is 7, paper package is 2, and wooden table is 1, shelf is 1. So because it's a video, right? So video is nothing but the combination of images, right? So it will do the results based on that images only. So it identify for each image what are the objects and what is the count. So in that way it will do. And after that, at the end, we're doing some kind of consolidated result. Okay, so that is a logic we're implementing. Right. So it identified this. It will given the summary like okay, cardboard boxes are 7, paper packages is 2, shelf is there, and wooden table is 1. So packages 3, boxes 6. Yeah, it identified well. So it did well. If you measure that, it was accurate. So wooden table. So whatever it was able to view and visualize, and it given the results. And I'll show you the code part now. Like let me walk you through the code part. So, so Streamlit you for the UI purpose, CV to OpenCV, like for doing the computer vision analysis, base 64, and converting that to image and analysis purpose. JSON, you already know. JavaScript object notation to get the data in that format. OS operate like to deal with this file management and etc. OS module, current working directories and other stuff. And OpenAI, you already know, to use the GPT-4o mini model collections just to counter. So we need counter so that it will count everything, and date time module. .env where I store the credentials like OpenAI credentials I stored there. From that I'm getting. So that's why I'm using this .env. And this is a normal method. We open that and we store the results in the OpenAI API key, and we're calling that, and normalize object name. So it was giving the object names in lower. So that's why we're doing that. Merge object counts. So this logic is, let's say, frame by frame, you have this analysis. After that, it will merge, and it won't allow you the duplicates. For that purpose, we are using this method. And this is the main logic. You pass the video bytes, and frame interval is by default it is 60. And we are analyzing through GPT-4o mini. So we are opening that, we are getting the bytes, and after that, we are passing that. And you can get the total number of frames. And this normal computer vision task how you do. So you'll put the while condition, and after that, till we'll stopping till the frames are got end, right? So till that time it will execute well. So this is the main logic. Like we're getting this image frame wise. After that, we're encoding that base 64, and this is the main logic. From the client chart.completion, we're using this model. We're passing the message like content is this. You are a vision expert. Analyze this image and list all the visible different objects, and with the approximate counts. Okay, so we have to return the response in this manner: object name and count, and image we are passing. So this whatever in each frame, whatever encoded image is there, right? That we are passing so that it will understand, it will return the response. And we tried some structured response, so it will give the results in a better way. So that we won't face any kind of issues. and after that it will give in these results and everything, and final results are displaying in this manner, like timestamp and unique objects detected and total number of this, and it was this, and this is entirely for the UI purpose. We given the name like AI video object analyzer, page icon, we given this layout is wide, we given this title, we given the markdown, like you can upload a video like this, and after that once you upload this, this is a file uploader. You can upload MP4 or AVI, MOV, or MKV, these types. And frame interval you can select. By default, it will be 60. Once you upload it, it will start analyzing. It will call the above method. It will get the results, and it will show like once it was done, it was completed, and subheader and JSON. It will showcase it display the results, and after that we are storing the JSON in this one of our local folder also, right? And also we're showcasing like you can download the results, right? So in this way we implemented this. Okay, so simply I think the results are accurate. There are many models, so vision models are available. You can do that, but with the help of this GPT-4o, so it was working absolutely fine. So I'll say it was giving accurate. I mean, giving a better accuracy. If you want to without this model, then in that case you have to go with the YOLO V8. You only look once, and you have to define a list of objects you want to visualize or you want to capture or analyze. So it's a lot of hectic process. But with this GPT-4o model availability, so you can leverage this. You can do the things in a uh, better way. So I feel so, and also in a better, accurate way, right? So this is the logic, and I hope you got the clarity and how to implement it and how to do this object detection and object calculations or whatever. So I hope you got some clarity, and yeah, I'll try to make some more videos like this, and yeah, we'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.